politics. Away from all the political noise, let's turn to today's good news today story. And it comes from Lucknow, where Vishal Singh, a Lucknow-based man, has been feeding the poor every day for the last 14 years. His initiative has been inspired by the hardships he said he faced during his father's illness 20 years ago. Vishal's service has now earned him the title of Lucknow's Food Man. It's our good news today story.
Vishal Singh is known as the Food Man of Lucknow, a title well earned in the city of Nawabs. For the last 14 years, Singh has been feeding relatives who accompany poor patients admitted in government hospitals of Lucknow.
Vijayashri Foundation Vishal Singh is feeding more than 1,000 people who are here at the hospitals for the treatment of their patients. Indeed, is a big inspiration, not only in terms of humanity, but also to give an example what can be done within limited resources if you have a good intention.
Vishal Singh's mission began after his own experience when he got his father treated at a hospital in Gurugram about 20 years ago. The cost of treatment left Singh broke and unable to even pay for a meal while his father was in the hospital.
देखिए 2003 में मेरे पिताजी गुड़गांव के अस्पताल में भर्ती थे और धन के अभाव में मैं भी कभी भूखा रहा हूं इन अस्पतालों में। तो मैंने देखा कि ऐसे और बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अपना पेट काट के अपने मरीजों का इलाज करा रहे हैं।
He lost his father, but the financial struggle he went through left a deep imprint on his life. That's when he decided that he would help others in a similar situation as his.
अरे बहुत हल्का हो जाता है सर, खाने से दिन बीत जाता, नहीं तो जे मरीज के साथ 2-1 लोग रहते बिक जाते इसी में।
बहुत मदद चाहते हैं हम लोगों के लिए मान लो आप मरीज लेके आए हैं, नहीं व्यवस्था खाने के लिए, तो यहाँ पर मदद मिल जाती है हम लोग।
From 3 hospitals, Vishal Singh is now aiming to expand his humanitarian operations to 30.
मैं अपील करना चाहूँगा जो भी लोग हमसे जुड़ना चाहें तो कुछ मुट्ठी राशन से हमारी मदद करें ताकि हम अस्पतालों में केवल 1 टाइम नहीं 2 टाइम भी हम सेवा कर पाएं और 3 अस्पताल से हम 30 अस्पताल और 300 अस्पताल तक हम आगे बढ़ पाएं।
For anxious skin of patients getting treatment in Lucknow's hospitals, Singh is a godsend. After all, he's the one who raises their spirit by ensuring they don't go hungry. Bureau Report, India Today.